Obviously, we're here to talk to you about what happened after. Ben Nakano was murdered last night. That's terrible. What happened?
What do you want? What do you think you're doing?
Wait, you don't think I had anything to do with that, do you? I don't know. I mean, after what we saw on TV, it doesn't look like who you'd be exchanging Christmas gifts, All that stuff. That's just
You wanted to come sit on me?
the bling, the arrogance, the bad boy nonsense.
Okay.
It's what sells.
All right.